Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Subaru Impreza. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is on and it is safely in park. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth, ensuring it is discoverable. Then, navigate to the phone or Bluetooth menu on your Subaru's infotainment screen. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's pair your device. From the car's Bluetooth menu, select the option to Add Device or Pair Device. Your Subaru will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices. Once your mobile device's name appears on the car's screen, simply select it. This step initiates the connection between your phone and your vehicle system. After selecting your device, you'll need to confirm the pairing. A request will appear on both your car's screen and your mobile phone. If prompted, enter the 4-digit or 6-digit PIN displayed on your Subaru's screen into your phone. Some newer systems might connect automatically without needing a PIN. Always double-check both devices for confirmation messages. Once confirmed, allow your phone a moment to sync contacts and call history with your Subaru. To ensure everything is working, try making a hands-free call or playing some audio through the car's speakers. From now on, your Subaru should automatically connect to your paired device whenever you enter the vehicle, making your drives more convenient and safer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.